What is up, Sodak Squad? It's your boy Sodak. Welcome back to another episode here. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. If you would, please join the family. Join all the fun we got going on here every week. We are doing little creek fishing, chilling on the creek. Gonna try to get us some creek monsters. And I will like to address one thing. My last video, somebody got too butthurt and decided to turn me into DNR. Got knocked at the door from game warden and we had a nice little talk. I will say, I did nothing illegal. The game fishing park agreed with that. And whoever you are, you know, I still love you. I still love you. Cause no hate here on Sodak Squad, you know. You might have wanted to take me down or were pissed at me or just don't like me or something. But I appreciate you. It's all love. Anybody that knows me and knows who I am, you can drop a comment down the video. I am one of the most positive, happy-go-lucky people you could know. Like, my girlfriend gets irritated with that I never get upset about anything, really. I just, whatever, brush it off. I don't care. But just know, I hope you're, whoever you were, I hope you're subscribed to the channel. I don't care if you dislike the video, drop a comment, doesn't hurt my feelings none. I appreciate you for watching the video. That's what I do. Anyway, I think we covered that topic enough. Whoever you were, you're kind of a dickhead, but I still love you. I still love you. Love you with all my heart. I think that's enough talking. We're gonna start getting rigged up here and we got to get the energy level up a little bit here for these fish. So I don't have a knife and I really wanted to shotgun this Red Bull, so I found a pointy rock. So that it might work, who knows. I think it's just gonna make a giant mess more than anything. All right, let's see. Yep, I was right. All right, I think we're ready for fishing. I wanted to catch some golden river donkeys, so I did bring some corn. The only problem is not a pole top and I do not have a can opener. So we're gonna go caveman on this and try to beat it on some rocks, I'm guessing. This looks like a good rock. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm so smart. So smart. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, Jesus. Fuck. God, I'm so stupid. Oh, I'm so stupid. That thing exploded. I got corn down my sleeve. Oh, my sleeves are soaked and I got corn in. Look at all that corn coming up. God, I'm stupid. Oh, got my legs. God, I've been accused of being a lot of things in life, but never smart. Not once. Oh God, I've just reeked like corn and my sleeves are soaked with corn juice. Oh God, I'm so dumb. God, I had half a can of corn up my sleeve. Oh, my legs, in my socks. How'd it get on my boxers? Jesus. Okay. Well, we're smelling like a cornfield, but hey, maybe that's good luck. I'd say she's open there, bud. Oh, it's all over the camera. Oh, everything's... I haven't caught a big golden river donkey yet this year, and I'm a hankering for one. While we're waiting on our golden river donkeys, I'm gonna throw around, just got a little 3-inch fluke on an 1/8 ounce jig head. See if there's any pike or walleye that want to chew. Oh, are you we had a good fish on. I thought I was snagged on a rock. Damn it. All right, spot number 2. Don't lose a shoe. Don't lose a shoe. Don't lose a shoe. Oh God. Oh, it's so thick. All right, spot number 3 or 4 or 5 or 10, I don't know. All right, we are at our last spot for the day. It has not been a hot day, that is for sure. Well, we might be calling today a complete failure. Yeah, we'll call today complete failure so far. Been about 2 or 3 hours. I've tried about 7 spots on the river. Had the one good bite that I thought was a rock. Other than that, just the water's still freezing cold and the fish are still in their wintering holes and they're not moving around too much. I don't want to bore you with just a whole episode of me casting around and not catching a damn thing. So I have a project that I'm going to be doing on my inflatable raft kayak, inflatable raft thing, whatever. But I got a project I'm going to be doing with that. I'll probably shoot just throw a couple of these clips in the video, and the main video will be about that, because we're going to be hitting the creek fishing real hard as soon as it starts warming up here, and this is gonna definitely help out a lot. So we'll shoot you over to, probably I'll be in my house, so we'll shoot you over there and get started on the actual video today, because we couldn't catch any fish. We ain't got a table over here, but I guess a big stack of steel will work too. Well, I think it came out pretty good for just freehanding it. 24 inches by 24 inches. What is up, Sonar Squad? Welcome back. Don't mind the noise, it's loud. I got a little bit of downtime at work, and we're gonna finish this up real quick. But welcome to the humble abode. I spend 98% of my time, but let's quit talking. Let's get this cleaned up and finish this up. Move you a little closer here. My lunch break is almost over. Yeah, we got her finished as far as fabrication. This is going to be my standing platform on my raft, where I can stand on this and fish off of this instead of just sitting in my seat all the time. We're going to see how it works. I think it should work good. Gotta love working in a machine and welding shop, because projects like this come along, you can get taken care of. Well, we got her done. My lunch break is just about over, so we're going to be wrapping this up. We just got to drill our 4 holes on each corner, which I got to mock it up tomorrow in the morning. And I'll mock it up, drill my holes, and get this placed up in there. And then probably the next video that you see will be on the water, giving it a shot and testing it out. I'm probably going to put some like bed liner, kind of coat and paint it just so it's not just plain steel. But hey, for some scrap metal in 30 minutes of time, it came together pretty well, and you can't buy anything like it, but go ahead and make it. But appreciate you watching. Next stuff you see, we'll probably be fitting it up, and then we're going to do some fishing after that.